So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice and video calls on WhatsApp web. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is open your web browser and then search for WhatsApp web. Here what you need to do is click on this download button and it will download it in your PC. Just run the installer and install it in your PC. After installing, you have to log into your account using your mobile. Just scan the QR code from your mobile and it will automatically log into your account. After that, you can see that you can make video calls or audio calls to any chat you want. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.